Welcome, sign dreamers. This video will teach you how to get started once you have paid your invoice and you have received your Google folder collaboration email. So go ahead and head into your email. You should see a collaboration email that says your first and last name, Google folder, or sign dreamers and your territory folder name on there. When you go ahead and click on that, it will take you to a page that looks like this on my screen right here. And what I want you to do is go ahead and just click on all of them and open them up in separate tabs. So just kind of get them loaded up so that it could initiate and start loading all the data in there. So this will take a little time when the first time you opening it up, because it's the first time actually opening up these new files. Okay. So let's go ahead and head into the inventory tracker. So we're going to do we're going to do three things today. We're going to look at the inventory tracker and see how to just navigate through it. Then we're going to go over the customer calendar super quick, and then the Google Forms template. If you already have a Google Forms and you have not already let me know, then go ahead and let me know. We could get your own Google form that you've already created and actually link it to the inventory tracker spreadsheet. Okay, so once all of this is loaded up, you could see with the Customer Insights tab right here, there is no data because there's no orders already in here. And the inventory value should be 0 right there. The manual response data, this is what's going to be coming from that Google form automatically when someone fills it out. The add orders, this is where all the magic happens right here. If you've seen if we've talked in the Zoom meetings, you've already seen how this all works as well. Okay, we'll go into the inventory charts. All this is going to be blank because there's no inventory added to it yet. So you could just scroll on down. We got the letters, the normal size numbers. We got the mega size numbers. We got the available kits. We have the ordinals and special characters. We have the stars, and we have the single balloons as well. Okay, and then these spreadsheets right here, all the back end inventory, or BEIT stands for back end inventory. This is where you will be adding your inventory in here. So the next videos will explain how to do this. So we could go ahead and head over to the Google form, or let's go to the customer calendar, number 2. So the customer calendar, this should all load up right here. This is where you teeter-totter back and forth between the add orders in the inventory tracker and saving them in a spreadsheet. So you can navigate through here, and all this should be empty as well. Okay, so that is the calendar, or your calendar. And now the Google order form. So you can customize your order form. I just create a template for you that you could already work with. So you could go ahead and change this header right here, this header picture, to whatever you'd like. You could change the format of the names or how you want stuff to be placed. I'd recommend watching some Google form videos on how to do this. Or you could ask me as well too, but I may be busy. So once you come on down here, there's a couple things you need to change. The desired rental length. For us, we charge $40 extra, an extra day that someone wants to rent out our sign. If that is different than yours, go ahead and click on here and start changing what that price is for these days right there. Okay, and then right down here, how did you hear about us? You could customize that as well to whoever you want. I just have these social medias or how they could hear about us. All right, now the rental agreement. This is just something we use to help us out. And one thing in number 9, the Sign Dreamers OC, our name is in this, and this is a picture, it's not a text. So if you are going to be using a rental reservation agreement, shoot me an email and I will send you this text format for that rental agreement so that you go ahead and edit it to your name. Then you screenshot it and you paste the picture by clicking on the picture icon up here and choosing that new picture with your new name right there on number 9. Okay, And then the refund policy, if you don't like some of these or don't want to include this, you go ahead and delete it, or you could ask me for the refund policy agreement, and then I'll go ahead and send you the text. And then right here, this just denotes if someone would like to subscribe to an emailing list that you could do for discounts and to market to them as well. Okay, so that is a Google form. If you want to add these responses automatically to your current spreadsheet, you want to go ahead and click responses right here. You want to go ahead and click these three bars or this three dot icon. Click on here and go to select response destination. You want to make sure that you select existing spreadsheet. You go ahead and hit select. Now you want to choose your template spreadsheet, which should be template inventory tracker, or it will be your name and inventory tracker. So we'll go ahead and click on that. Now it is linking to our spreadsheet, and it says spreadsheet link down there. So we're good to go whenever someone fills this out. Now when we come into our inventory tracker, we'll swipe over here. We know that there's an active spreadsheet coming in here right there. You could go ahead and make the headers bold and to what size you want. You could go ahead and extend some of these out if you'd like to, and you could go ahead and play around with this yourself. All right, so that is a Google form. Now, that is everything on how to get started. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, just make sure you email me, or you could shoot me a text or give me a phone call. Thank you so much, and I look forward to sharing more videos with all of you.